all about the admin and events on Kyee platform. Open your browser and type in https://kyee.fun, just like this. The website will load and go to admin. Log in, and if you don't have an account already, sign up to get started. This is our home for the admin. We have 3 actions here, and in this video we are interested in the events option. So I will click on this red button or simply scroll down to the events section. Fill this form and submit. After submitting, the event will immediately be available for anyone to pay or to get a ticket. When we go back to our home and scroll to the event section, you will see your uploaded event will appear here. So we have the booking link. This is what you share to the public. Whoever wants to join your show will have to click on this link. Whoever wants to buy a ticket can click on this link, copy, paste it anywhere you want, whether in WhatsApp or anywhere. Now we have the broadcast link here. Still, you copy it. Now listen, the broadcast link should not be shared with the public. It is private, it is yours. This is the link that you will give to your live streaming company. It has to be pasted in the browser, or they simply click on it to start streaming your show to the public. It's very easy to use. Once it opens in your browser, just choose the camera, whether you have vMix, whether it's OBS or a real camera, and you're good to go. So after people paying for the show or watching, now you want to withdraw your money. You want to withdraw your money. Here at the home, we have 3 options. So let's choose the withdraw option. Here you can withdraw either by mobile money or by bank. Mobile money is instant. You receive the money instantly. Yet the bank, you will have to wait for some good hours to process your request. So under mobile money, enter your phone number with the country code, but do not put the plus sign. Fill the rest of the information and click on the withdraw button. By now you have received your money on your mobile account. And when you go back to the home and scroll to the withdraw history, you can see the withdrawal of our $20 status is success. That's it. Let's withdraw to the bank. Enter all the details here and click on the withdraw button. A message will be sent to your email for you to confirm the transaction. So at this point, go to your email address and confirm by replying to that email from Kyee. Kyee platform is as simple as that. It's very simple to use. Thanks for watching. I have made another video about how fans can join your show. You might want to check it out. Until next time, bye.